Good morning, CNG 124 500. Let's see, we are on week 15, our last full week together. Um, let's see, I think I had on the top screen there. Um, Make sure that you're kind of revisiting these topics here. Review in Lab 15 before you start the skills review. Review the review lab. I think that was Lab 24. Make sure you have the CNAP quiz and exam 9 done, and absolutely get in that late work. Some points are better than no points. Revisions that I asked for will give you those points back, and that way you can walk out here with the grade you want. Once again, if you missed a test, perhaps you caught a cold. I'm in the wrong place. If you missed a test, had a cold, didn't score well, make sure to do the Kaplan and submit that to improve exam 1, 2, and 3 grade. So you walk out here with an even better grade. If you got a 0 and you took the Kaplan and got a 70 or better, take a picture of it, a screenshot, a selfie, and get that submitted down here. Look at that, someone already did it. Good job for you. Get that down here and get those test scores up to 100%. That's a free gimme to get you a better score in this course. So for this week, and including Monday next week, Monday actually ends the course. Tuesday I stop accepting stuff. But make sure to get all those assignments in by that time. When you do skills A and B, make sure to set aside enough time that you 2 hours basically. I'd set aside 2 hours. I'd take an hour on each side. That's how I would do it. If I want to succeed, that's how I do it. And then the final exam, set aside an hour and 15 minutes, a regular class period. That's what I'd set aside for this one, hour and 15. I thought the final exam was a little bit easier than the skills final, just because your skills finals you're actually you're doing what we've been doing for the last I think since about week 8. Week 9. So we've been doing the same thing since we've been doing about week 9, where we're building packet tracers. Yeah, configuring routers and packet tracer. So make sure you review that. You have all week to take the test. This is your test week. Focus on those. Once you get done with your test, then go back and start saying, okay, well, what am I missing anything? Let me go back and do an activity. We have a lot of activities. They're only 5% of your grade. They don't move your grade a whole lot. Labs move your grade. The most. You're going to see about a 1% move per lab. And I see there's a few labs turned in. I'll get grading those today. And I think you guys are good to go. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. And I'll get those questions answered. Feel free to use Hangouts. Let's see, and I think that's all I have for you guys. With that, have a great finals week. Good luck to you all. Remember to take your time, set yourself up for success. Give yourself the proper room, and don't wait till Sunday, 11 o'clock p.m. to start working on these items. Definitely, take the week to start doing them. Figure out a day and a time where you're at your 100%. For me, it'd be like a morning. I wake up real early and get going, and I'm wide awake as soon as I wake up. So, I definitely want to do my test then, over trying to do it at 9, 10 o'clock at night, where I'm winding down, and my brain's not more in cruise control mode. Have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon.